Silent footsteps. 7 signs. You may have high-functioning depression. Many of us strive for success, defining it by achievements, accolades, and a seemingly effortless navigation of life's challenges. But what if success masks a silent struggle? What if behind that polished exterior lies the debilitating weight of high-functioning depression? This condition, often misunderstood and dismissed, is a very real and pervasive issue affecting countless individuals. It's crucial to remember that outward appearances can be deceiving, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Today, we'll explore 7 key signs you might have high-functioning depression. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and shouldn't replace a professional diagnosis. Let's begin. First, let's tackle the very essence of high-functioning depression: maintaining a high-achieving exterior. Individuals suffering from this often excel in their careers, maintain seemingly fulfilling social lives, and project an image of effortless success. They ace exams, land prestigious jobs, and navigate social circles with apparent ease. But beneath this facade lies a constant battle against overwhelming fatigue, low self-esteem, and a pervasive sense of emptiness. The contrast between their outward accomplishments and their internal struggles is stark and often goes unnoticed by those around them. They might be top performers at work, but the effort required to maintain that performance is immense, fueled by willpower alone, and often unsustainable in the long run. Next, we examine persistent fatigue and low energy. This isn't just the occasional tiredness we all experience, it's a deep, bone-aching exhaustion that lingers regardless of rest. It manifests as difficulty concentrating, a profound lack of motivation, and an overwhelming desire to simply shut down. Some may sleep excessively, while others struggle to find restful sleep. This persistent fatigue is often dismissed as laziness, burnout, or simply being busy. However, it's a crucial indicator of underlying depression, often masked by the individual's continued outward productivity. The constant battle against exhaustion takes a significant toll, making even simple tasks feel monumental. Irritability and anger are common symptoms frequently overlooked. High-functioning depression can manifest as a shortened fuse, easily triggered frustration, and difficulty managing emotions. This isn't the typical stress-induced irritability we all experience. It's a deeper, more persistent anger that feels disproportionate to the triggering event. This anger can manifest in subtle ways, snapping at loved ones, withdrawing from social situations, or experiencing an increased sensitivity to criticism. It's a crucial sign, often mistaken for simply having a bad day, but it's a significant indicator of underlying emotional distress. Understanding this distinction is vital in seeking appropriate support. Often accompanying this persistent irritability is a pervasive sense of worthlessness or guilt. Despite outward success, individuals struggling with high-functioning depression often grapple with feelings of inadequacy and self-criticism. They may minimize their achievements, constantly focusing on perceived failures, and harboring a deep-seated belief that they are not good enough. This internal struggle contradicts their outward achievements, creating a significant disconnect between their perceived self-image and their actual accomplishments. Perfectionism often compounds this issue, setting unrealistic expectations that further fuel feelings of self-doubt and inadequacy. The cognitive effects of depression extend even to those who appear highly functional. Difficulty concentrating and making decisions becomes a significant obstacle. Brain fog becomes a constant companion, making even simple tasks feel overwhelming. Procrastination becomes a coping mechanism, as the energy required to focus on tasks feels insurmountable. Indecisiveness creeps into daily life, impacting everything from simple choices to major life decisions. This cognitive impairment significantly impacts daily life, despite the individual's ability to outwardly maintain a semblance of competence. This struggle is often hidden, as the individual may compensate through sheer willpower or by meticulously planning every detail to avoid decision-making altogether. Another paradoxical sign of high-functioning depression is social withdrawal despite apparent social success. These individuals may maintain a network of friends and acquaintances, actively participating in social events. However, they often feel profoundly drained after social interactions, preferring solitude to recharge. They may avoid deep connections, fearing vulnerability, or the exposure of their internal struggles. This emotional exhaustion is a key indicator, often hidden behind a mask of social adeptness. The effort required to maintain social connections is immense, leaving them feeling depleted and longing for the quiet solitude of their own company. Finally, we address the often overlooked physical symptoms. High-functioning depression manifests physically in various ways, including persistent headaches, stomach aches, muscle tension, and changes in appetite or sleep patterns. These physical manifestations are often attributed to other factors, delaying diagnosis and treatment. The mind-body connection is undeniable. The constant stress and emotional turmoil of depression take a significant toll on physical health. Ignoring these physical signals can exacerbate the condition, hindering both physical and mental well-being. Recognizing these physical symptoms as potential indicators of depression is crucial in seeking timely intervention. In conclusion, High-functioning depression is a complex condition that often goes unrecognized due to the individual's ability to maintain a successful outward facade. The 7 signs we've discussed: maintaining a high-achieving exterior, persistent fatigue, irritability, feelings of worthlessness, difficulty concentrating, social withdrawal despite social success, and physical symptoms, highlight the hidden struggles behind the mask of success. Remember, seeking professional help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Numerous resources are available, including mental health websites, helplines, and therapist directories. If you relate to any of these signs, please reach out for support. Your well-being matters. Take that first step towards healing. You are not alone. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to receive more advice on love and relationships in the future. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can recognize these signs too.